Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. You can see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Take advantage of the Prime Day deals going on, and you'll get one of these. Oh. Alright. This is coming from my good friends over at Timekettle. This is their brand new AI interpreter earbuds W4 Pro. Oh, baby. This looks sweet. Future is here, guys. Real-time translation, playback, phone call, and online meeting translation. Whoa. 43 languages, 93 accents, 95% translation accuracy, 6 hours of continuous translation, offline translation. Whoa. Now this is what I'm talking about. See, if you use AI in the right way, it's a lot cooler. There we go. But definitely check them out. Take advantage of the sales. Yeah. But I got my backup phone just in case I need it. Might be a weird one, but we'll get it through this. But definitely a cool piece of technology to show you guys. That was cool. Easy rip. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Keep that guy right there. There we go. AI interpreter. Here we go. Whoa. It's like a Rolex. Bam. Fancy. Fancy dancy. Drop you guys down. There we go. Perfect. So manuals in here. Boom. Whoa. Yeah, this is a nice presentation, guys. Really impressed so far. Just by the packaging. That's what you want to see. But yeah, really good company. Like I said, they got a lot of goodies. So if you got some free time, check it out. If not, if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Open up the envelope. Empty there. See, pretty thick side. Quick start guide. And then, so, but definitely it's summertime, so a lot of you guys will be traveling. Be safe out there. Whoa. Look at this thing. This is nice. USB. Button there, power. Whoa. This is some alien technology for sure. Secret alien. Look at that. That is really nice, so excellent job, guys. So it must be the charging. Yeah, see? Charging. Whoa. Left, right. Not sure which way is up, which way is down. Look like this. But remove this. Oh, wow. Here's the other one. Remove the sticker. That's for the charging ports. Now we're going to set this thing up. These are really comfortable, nice and soft. Yeah, these are nice. So excellent quality made. Very impressed. So you're going to want to download the app, I do believe. It's going to be called probably Timekettle. Where is English? Shoot. Russian, Chinese, English, Espanol, hold up, guys. I am locating. Alright, maybe this one. Don't panic. Okay. That's a good thing. Where is app? Open ear hooks. That's what they're called. Open ear hooks. Okay. One click. Controls. So one click. Answers. Two click. Play and pause. To hold is one. He's got to press it. Step one. Yep, we did that. We did that. Yep, Timekettle app. That's what it's called. Right there. So, backup phone. Pause. Here we go. Timekettle is right there. Don't mind this phone. This is a backup phone. So, in case you see a black dot, that's water damage on my burner phone. Fast download. Now. Hold up. So fast download. Open. Agree. Safe app. Everything's good. I'm not sure if I haven't. I might have an account. I might have done an older model. Then I'm not sure. I can't remember. It's been a while. Yep, sweet. Yeah, I had the older model. So, whoa. It's already right there. W4 Pro. I had the W3 and pretty much all of them. W4 ready to connect. So, here we go. We'll allow, like I said, open the charging case, put it close to the edge. Let's see how it's set up. Okay, so we got to do that. Boom. Okay, that's flashing. Timekettle Pro set now. There we go. Timekettle is in your Bluetooth under W4 right there. Connect. Pair. And we are connected. There we go. Not sure why I do. Hold up. And now we are both connected. So you estimate 6 hours. One-on-one voice call. Listen and play. AI mode. AI character while using the app. Allow to ensure. Okay. Well, AI. So there's a love expert, humorist, workaholic, Chinese, English. Whoops. Had to update the phone. Please select one of the scenarios. Travel, daily work, remote, international friends, multilingual families, meeting. We'll click them all. Others. So now we are, boom, 6 hours. Offline translation, listen and play. Allow. You could do fast or accurate, or do accurate. Phone is recording other voices, Chinese. Let's see. Whoa. Hello. How are you? Pretty good. Phone is recording. Hello, hello. Are you speaking? Who is speaking? Right ear. Phone is translating. So we got the right ear is gonna be English. Switch. Hello.
正确的空气将会是
Whoa.
切换抬头。
How are you today?
你今天怎么样？
What is the weather like?
天气怎么样？
Well, what's the temperature outside?
那么外面的温度是多少？
Holy smokes, guys. Hold on, let me pause. This is what it looks like in the air. Super comfortable.
这就是它在空中的样子，超级舒服。
Holy smokes.
天啊！
Huh. This thing is awesome, guys.
这个东西太棒了。
Thank you very much.
非常感谢。
Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.
请确保点击点赞和订阅按钮。
Whoa. What's your favorite sports team?
你最喜欢的运动队是什么？
Wow. This is so cool.
这太酷了。
This could help everybody.
这可能对所有人都有帮助。
Very much so.
确实如此。
Danielson. Banzai.
万岁！
Whoa. What else does it do?
哇！它还能做什么？
Holy moly. Alright, voice call. We'll do an offline translation. You can download now. Oh, there's Chinese, Russian, Chinese, Russian, Chinese, French, Japanese, French. It is like, we'll do Russian. I do have a few Russian friends, so this is going to help tremendously now. So I'm telling you guys, get it now. This would be a perfect gift for anybody. Like I said, for a lot of travelers, business people, for those hard to buy people. This is cool. See, it's downloading. Whoa. Now can I back out and still download? Hopefully. There's a fish card. I don't know what that does. But I'm telling you, this one, this is going to be the one to get. And then here's all your translation, AI summary. It's probably going to break it down. You can copy it, regenerate it. Regenerate English, okay. Industry, health care, you could have. One person, two people, three, four. Well, I like the translation. That's so perfect. Download is successful. Now where did it go? Offline translate, one-on-one. Oh, there we go. See, it's offline Russian. Me, other person. Hello. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Now, let's see if I could get it out. Oh, I hear Chinese in one ear and Russian in the other ear. Oh, here we go. Oh. Dude. Hello. I don't know if you guys can hear it. But this thing is sweet. Yes, exit. Holy moly. Listen and play. Maybe that's why. Speak it. Here we go. Switch to right earbud. Okay. Now we're in this one.
Новые в ТИСе.
Whoa. How are you today?
How are you today?
Very good.
Very good.
This is incredible.
This is incredible.
God dang. God dang. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wait, yeah, EH.
Oh man. I wish I had this when I was younger.
How much I had this when I was younger.
Thank you guys at Timekettle.
Thank you guys at Timekettle.
This is so cool.
Is it so cool?
You guys have a good night.
You guys have a good night.
Be safe.
Irisig.
And subscribe. Say it.
CIT.
Oh. Buongiorno.
What does you know?
Okay. What does you know? Huh. Now we can go to flip it.
Herzut.
Oh. Hello. Alright guys, you have a good night.
和你一起度过一个美好的夜晚。
Be safe.
Same.
Make sure you subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe.
Well, no. Make sure you subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe.
No, not describe.
没有所有的在这些被写上。
Make sure you subscribe.
制作 sure you subscribe.
Yeah, okay. We got it. Alright, YouTubers.
词语
Have a good night, YouTubers.
universe.
Okay, that's good enough. Alright, see you guys.